At number 5, we have the Microsoft Surface Pro 3. Experience a reliable and affordable Windows 10 Pro device. Powered by an Intel Core i5 processor and 256GB SSD, it delivers fast and responsive performance. Enjoy a reliable and familiar Windows 10 Pro experience. It's the budget-friendly, high-performance device you've been looking for. This certified refurbished laptop offers great value with a 90-day warranty. Smooth performance and a sleek design, what's not to love? At number 4, we have the Microsoft Windows 11 Pro OEM System Builder. Introducing Windows 11 Pro OEM, designed specifically for new PC installations. It offers a clean user interface, enhanced security, and easy domain connectivity for business or school use. What we like, it's ideal for new PC builds, offers a secure and efficient setup, and is perfect for business environments. And what people say, it's an easy installation from USB, works perfectly for custom builds, and delivers genuine Microsoft performance. For a top-tier OS for your new build, Windows 11 Pro OEM is a solid choice.
At number 3, we have the Xbox wireless adapter for Windows 10. Unlock your gaming potential with the Xbox wireless adapter for Windows 10. Connect your Xbox controller seamlessly to your PC and enjoy console-quality gaming. It supports Xbox Series X, Xbox One, and Windows devices with stable wireless connectivity. Here's what we like: a smooth, wireless gaming experience, support for multiple controllers, and an easy plug-and-play setup. And here's what people are saying: quick setup, no noticeable input lag, and it's perfect for multiplayer gaming. Upgrade your PC gaming setup today.
At number 2, we have the Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. Upgrade to Windows 11 Pro, featuring a simpler and more intuitive interface. Use snap layouts to manage multitasking efficiently. Enjoy improved online meetings with noise cancellation and background blur. With built-in security features like encryption and malware protection, your data stays safe. Users love the fast installation, smooth performance on SSDs, and reliable upgrade. Experience the power of Windows 11 Pro.
At number 1, we have the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. A powerful 2-in-1 laptop and tablet. Type, touch, draw, write, work, and play more naturally. Powered by a 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. Stay connected with USB-C, USB-A, and Bluetooth 5.0. This ultra-slim device weighs just 1.70 lb with up to 10.5 hours of battery life and fast charging. We love its versatile 2-in-1 design, strong performance, and portability. It's ideal for work and creativity. Users agree, praising its excellent battery life, great screen, and solid build quality.